Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi. So today I filmed this slick ponytail with braiding hair, and this is my second time filming it, but I got it down pat. The first time was a complete fail, so yeah, through trial and error I got it down. So without further ado, let's get right into the hair tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair down, and my hair is straightened. I straightened my hair a couple of days ago, and I did film a tutorial on how I do like my at-home silk press. So it's going to be easier to put in a ponytail just because it's straight. When I do this hairstyle, when I have like my natural curly hair, it does like create those ridges a little bit when I try to slick it down because it reverts back once I put the gel on, but that's okay. So I'm going to start out by parting my hair. And I start my part pretty far back. Okay. So now that I have my hair parted to my liking, I'm just going to take a soft bristle brush and I'm going to kind of mold my hair into the shape that I'm going for. Now I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and I'm going to apply a good amount on my hair because I do want my ponytails to be like super slick. Now I'm going to take my Denman brush and I'm just going to comb that gel through my hair, making sure it's evenly distributed throughout my hair. Now I'm going back in with my soft bristle brush and I'm just going to brush this hair down. Alright, so now I'm just going to tie my hair up. So now that's in a ponytail, I'm just going to slick it down just a little bit more. Okay, so now that my hair is slicked down to my liking, I'm going to take my Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control, and I'm going to use this to slick down my baby hairs. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to split this hair into 3 sections and I'm going to braid down each section. Okay, so as you can see, I have 3 braids, and that's because when I braid down the hair, it's going to be sectioned in 3 sections, and so this makes it easier for the hair to cover the pieces of my real hair. So I picked up the Raw Safari braiding hair, and I got the color 27 and 1B, and that's because I have like highlights in my hair, and so that's why I like to mix them together. So now I'm just going to take it out of the package. I forgot to mention I'm using 1 pack of each color. So now I'm going to blend the two colors together, and I'm just going to place them next to each other like this. And I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to wrap it around and make like a loop. Like this. I don't know if you can see. So I'm looping it around like this, tying it right here, and then pulling it together to create a loop like this. So now I'm going to place this hair on my ponytail and just tie it at the base. Okay, so as you can see, I put the hair at the base of my ponytail and it's ready to braid down. And then I'm going to take some of the hair out because I'm going to use this section to wrap around the base once I finish with the braid. So I need help starting my braid, so I'm going to call my mom in to help me with this part. So what you're going to do is you're going to cover each braid with the hair and just braid down to start it. Okay,
braid it in.
Yeah, so what you're going to do is you're going to just feed my real hair into it. But make sure the sections are even.
Right.
Let me turn this way so they can see. Okay, got it. Thank you. Okay, so now that my hair is feeded into the braid, I'm just going to finish it off and just braid it all the way down. And then I'm going to take a rubber band and just place that at the end of the braid. So now I'm going to use this piece of hair that I pulled out earlier, and I'm going to wrap that around the base of my ponytail like such. Let me turn so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I just secured that piece with a bobby pin, and I slicked down my hair a little bit more using the Style Factor Edge Control because some of my hairs did come up while my mom and I were putting on ponytail. So here's the finished look. It was definitely easier than the first time I tried to film this, but through trial and error I got it down. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.